Excel Academy at Southwest. We live again, you know. This is our 5th period. Our students is taking a quiz right now, you understand what I'm saying? So we just finna go around, ask them how this quiz going, what they doing on the quiz. Is it easy, is it hard or whatnot? You feel me? So what that is, we just finna go around. We're gonna start in the front, work to the back, and we're gonna do what we do, you know what I'm saying? So get this extra 10 points and tell me how this going for you right now.
It's going good. Right now, I have made a nightlight, so check it out. If you put that under, you take it off.
Oh, so when it's in the dark, it just come on.
It's a nightlight.
So you program that to do that?
I programmed the nightlight, yeah.
That's what we're doing, man. This is the teacher assistant, you know, she knows what she's doing. How this going today? Helping these students.
It's going all right. I did just have a little mental breakdown, but I'm back helping the students on the board.
Okay, that's cool. That's what we do.
Right now, I'm just trying to get these notes down right now.
Right. What about you? How this going for you? Huh? How this going for you? Get these extra 10 points, girl. How it's going? Good or bad? Easy or hard? It's either black or white. Come on, what is it? You know, people camera shy, you know what I'm saying? But me, I'm not camera shy. I do what I do, you know what I'm saying? I just let it flow, you know what I'm saying? I do.
I don't know what it does.
Oh, no, you didn't read.
How this going for you, Rashonda, man?
If you don't get that on my face.
You don't want these extra 10 points?
I need the 10 points. This is going really hard. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm lost. Yep.
Okay. What about you, Bree?
I'm just copying down the question.
Okay.
Plain and simple.
Point is, our students are managing through. We persevering.
I did this before. I just copied.
But you still trying, though. You still trying. That's all that matters. Yes, ma'am.
He pushes us to use our mind to be a human calculator. I hate it. But it works at a time.
What time is it?
I can't tell this time. You know, he got that 1500 stuff.
It's 15 what?
15, 14, 18. What about you?
First of all, if I was never
And welcome back to school, man.
First of all, I've been at school. Second of all, Mr. Tyler would have never put me out of class. I wouldn't know how to do this, but I don't.
14, 19. I don't know what that is.
Still, facts don't matter.
Oh, so you saying if he never put you out of class, you would learn how to do this?
Yeah.
She used to get mad when I did that.
It's all his fault.
Why is she late? What's
Welcome back. What about you, B. McCall?
I'm doing my questions, writing down, practice problems.
Okay, is it easy for you?
Oh my God. Yeah, it's easy for me. Yeah, some of them.
Oh, but when I asked you for help, you couldn't even help me.
Boy.
See, that's the problem. Kids can't even help you. They say it's easy, but they don't want to help their black young brother be as great as they. See, that's the problem with our community, man. How y'all doing back here?
Terrible.
We chilling. Well, I don't, this easy.
This easy? What about you back there?
Why you gotta zoom in on me?
I'm not zooming in.
All you doing with
It's
these
hard.
tests, all you doing is
Because I'm
reading the
intelligent.
problem, right? After you read it, you writing your known and unknown values. And then after you do that, you gotta study the problem. Once it asks you, if you just really look at the question, all you going back to do is look at the, like, if you go look up one of the words that's highlighted, all you're doing is looking for the boxes that's giving you how to solve the problems. Like right now,
Yes,
for
that's
number,
similar to the keys. That they
right.
have.
For somebody who's been in this class for like a year, I guess, for somebody who just got here.
Right.
Sorry.
If you just looking at all the answers is in the book, and then
I leave early. No, I got
Show me
here.
how to find. I don't want you to give me the answer. I need you to show me how to find
Alright,
it.
so like if I don't know one, I just go to the next question. Like for 34, all you do is you go back in the book, and then once
See,
you
man, that's
giving
like you
ways to
helping one
solve it,
another.
like how
You see
I just
that?
found
She didn't
solutions.
understand. So guess what she do? She helped her to understand. That's what we doing, man. That's what we doing. Now back to you. What's your problem? Come on, what's your problem?
My problem is that they teach us stuff that we barely know and stuff like that. Like, I ain't gonna say it's hard because I don't know this work yet. So I'm gonna say if I get some more time of doing it, I probably get a hang of it to it.
Oh, no.
No, I'm not.
Okay.
Okay.
So maybe saying if you was here longer, you will understand.
Yeah, if I was here longer and everything, I probably understand the mathematics, but right now I'm kind of struggling trying to understand.
Sucky now, man. Well, that's what it is, man. We do what we do at Excel Academy at Southwest. Our students is persevering. You understand? We don't understand, so we help one another. We make one another understand. You understand what I'm saying? I'm looking good today, boy. Look at me, boy. I got my little goatee going on. You feel me? I do what I do. Look at me, man. Y'all like my Air Force Ones, man? I do what I do. You know what I'm saying? I try, man. Today was a little quiz, you know what I'm saying? It was complete a timed multi-segment assessment based on quadratic formula, mean, median, mode, rank. It is. Where's the new one?
I let Alex write it. Students will be able to erase.
Students will be able to complete quiz number 9. Complete and pass quiz number 9.
There you go.
And you want it? Who wanted it?
Yeah, I'm sorry.
I already took a picture, just rewrite it.
No,